guys, in this video I will explain and teach you how to fire up a stove with an orange. What? Now you might say like, how are you gonna do it with an orange? I mean it's you know, it's juicy. That's what fruits are mostly. And what? You can't light up a fire with liquid unless that liquid has oil. Now what we can do with this orange right here, we actually have to wait for a week. Now you don't want to watch my face for a week, so yeah, I'll just give you the finished product. And it's this magical orange peel that has been dried around for a week. I mean these have been you know, dried for a very long time, and it you know, it kind of rips apart like that. So the property that these orange peels have is they have oils in them, and these oils can be used to light up a fire. So when you dry up these orange peels, the liquid goes away, the water and stuff like that, and the oils are left in these peels. Yeah, I got my stove right here, and the first thing we gotta do is we of course gotta put some wood in. And never forget to take out the, I don't know what this called is in English, you know, but that's important, so the smoke doesn't come in. Let's just get most of the ash away from the bed of the stove. You know, the airflow is very important when handling a stove. And these orange peels actually do not cause a lot of ash when they burn. So they're actually quite ecological, and you don't have to clean your stove's airways as much. So that's another positive thing. So now that we have our wood right there, now we can put the orange peels in. So you can, you know, place them in the gaps so the air can, as the fire goes up, there is space for the air to, you know, flow through. But also you don't want it to be too far apart, because then it won't catch on fire, you know. So now that we have our wood and the orange peels right there, we just light up a match. And you know, just light them up. See how it burns? It's already starting to act like oil. Or burn like oil, you know. There are oils of course in the oh, I think it's gonna need some bark. So yeah, you might need some bark to get the initial fire, because they're kind of hard to like fire up, but when they actually fire up they burn like a lot, like very well. So yeah, I got some bark right there. You can use paper, like a newspaper or something like that, and let's put the bark a bit lower right there so that it burns on the like below them. That should be good. So yeah, now you can see it's below the orange peels, and they're gonna catch on fire very soon. And yeah, you can see it kind of like bursts this oil out when it starts burning. So yeah, that's the property of these orange peels. They actually start to burn like oil, which is very cool. It's very nice to look at too. These are more like sticks than wood. I was doing some gardening work, and I made some sticks from the you know, stuff I had to cut down this summer. So yeah, there you go. Let me get a close up. Yeah, see how it burns? It also makes this sound, this look at that. You can try these orange peels on like newspaper or, you know, anything like that. It absorbs the liquid, so it doesn't get on other things. So that's a good way to do it. And yeah, this is how you light up fire with oranges. I'm Venttu, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace!